Welcome back. You're going to learn how to do simple animations in Canva quickly. At the end, I'll show you where to get pre-made animations, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. Start a video project and select 1080p for full HD video. You will see a video frame set to 5 seconds as a default. We'll leave it at that setting. You can add another page or frame. Now let's add a background to the first video frame. Go to Elements and let's search for a city background. Actually, let's select Graphics, as we are doing an animation. And let's select Horizontal Images, as this is a widescreen animation. This park scene will do nicely. Right-click the image and set image as background. Duplicate the background for the second page. Now go to Elements and add a walking graphic. Make sure to select Animated. This one will do nicely. Resize and position the character graphic. Go to Animate. On the Animate element panel, click on Custom. Then go to your character graphic, click and hold the mouse button, and drag the character across the screen. This is the path the graphic will move. Once done, go to the animation panel and select Steady. Let's take a look at the animation. Let's do another one so the tutorial sinks in. Let's choose this crazy person with the funky walk. Resize and position this crazy dude. Go to Animate. Once again, on the Animate element panel, click on Custom. Go to your character, click and hold the mouse button, and drag the character across the screen. Go to the animation panel again and select Steady. Let's see this funky walk. Since we're having so much fun, let's do one more. I said I would show you where to get pre-made animations. Go to Apps and search for Lottie. Select the Lottie Files app. Lottie Files are pre-made animations. Let's search for dog walking. Oh look, this dog's also got a funky walk. What's the chance of that happening? Add to your design and position the Lottie file animation. Go to Animate again, select Custom Animation. I'll click and drag the dog across, trying to give him a crazy path. Make sure to select Steady as your movement style. Let's watch all of them, and you can tell me who has the best walk. If you like this tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe.